Hi guys, I want to show you a way to quickly archive your documents in a bundle instead of having to select each page one by one after a meeting when you need to archive. So let's go to a student and look at a plan. Okay, I'm going to select the main view. It gives me a little more information. I like to see dates and everything on here. You can create your own view right here if you want to do that. I'm going to go to Castleberry Elementary, and I want to pick a student that is going to have some STAR information, so I'll pick a 5th grader. Okay, now I'm going to go to Reports. So it's time to archive after the meeting we just had. So I've created these bundles that are going to capture all of the pages that you need to archive in one click, so you don't have to try to remember which page to click when it's time to archive. The first one I'm going to show you is an annual 504 with STAR information. And then View. And this is what it's going to give you. Whoops. The first page is the meeting notice, notice of parent rights, and signing, accepting the rights, student review committee. This is where we ask the 3 eligibility questions in our annual meeting, and then classroom accommodations if those are decided upon. And then the next page it gives you is your committee members, and the last page listed is your STAR information. So if you had an annual meeting, talked about classroom accommodations, STAR information, all of these will be captured whenever you archive. Next I'll show you the one that has an initial. So we finished our meeting, initial 504 without STAR information. So create that one. And View. So this also has the meeting notice, procedural rights, accepting the rights, and then this is the referral form. Since it's an initial, someone referred them, so you filled that one out, so it's going to be included. Notice and consent for 504 evaluation with the parent signature. Then you discussed instructional accommodations, possibly. Those will be included if you did. And then your committee members. The other view that is on here is the annual meeting without STAR. So it may be early in the year when you have a meeting and you're not talking about STAR yet, or it's a student that is younger than a STAR age. So you can look at these bundles, and as long as you don't archive them, you can just play with them on any student. But if there is one that you want me to create, I learned how to do it. So if there is one that you want me to create, give me a call, and I'll see what I can do. Thank you.